Studies show that solar energy may be the main source of energy in Brazil in a couple of decades, and that up to 2022, $5 billion will be invested in this field. It is a growing market, moved by innovation and by the global need to promote a more sustainable economy. In Brazil, for example, most farmers want to export and are concerned about complying with environmental regulations worldwide. It is important to highlight that Brazil leads world agricultural productivity, as the farm yield has increased 4% per year in the country. And that is just the beginning. Brazil is the second largest food producer on the planet, and agribusiness is one of the few segments in Brazil that has grown regardless of the recent economic crisis, constituting over 23% of the GDP. It's a huge market. EcoSolar has a product that can contribute to an even more productive and sustainable agriculture. It's the container EcoSolar, a transportable electricity generator that uses photovoltaic technology and supplies the demand for electrical energy in off-grid areas. The technology is not new, but its application is. It replaces the diesel generator in irrigation, no longer emitting 700 kilograms of CO2 per year. And this does not include the emission from transportation and diesel production chain. Besides, the EcoSolar container's mobility allows producers to relocate their energy source in different spots on their property, according to demand, increasing the coverage of electric system without raising its costs proportionally. Due to the application in agribusiness, the container has been internationally recognized by the Low Carbon Brazil Initiative and by the Startup Energy Transitions. As one of the 100 more innovative companies in the world in the energy field, the only Brazilian one, we already have the product's patent, and the next step is to improve the storage energy system to commercialize it. Then, we will be a few steps from starting a revolution in the agricultural market, selling sustainability in a practical and accessible form to all of those who also want to save the planet. If you want to know more, access our website or send us an email. Let's change the world together. Choose smart energy.